Resolving the issue of a Visa card being unavailable is a relatively simple process. Today I'll guide you through the steps to fix this problem. If you encounter the error message indicating that your Visa card is unavailable, there could be several reasons behind it. Firstly, it's possible that you've exceeded your spending limit. Visa cards typically have a predetermined spending limit, such as $5,000 or $10,000. If you've already reached this limit, you won't be able to make further transactions until the next day when the limit resets. Another possible reason for the error could be suspicious activity detected by your bank, leading them to temporarily block your card. In such cases, it's advisable to contact your bank immediately. Inform them about the issue you're facing, and they will assist you in resolving it, usually after verifying your identity. By following these steps, you can quickly resolve the Visa card unavailable error and resume using your card for transactions. I hope this explanation helps you resolve the issue effectively.